This is 2020 Nissan Sentra. Damage from the front right side. Main impact on the hood, the light, it's broken from inside, the fender, and the very obvious front bumper. We'll take a look if you're able to fix the hood. Fender, yeah, we will definitely fix it. No need to waste money there. We'll fix it by our manpower. But obviously bumper is something that no matter how strong you are, you just cannot create unless if you're a superhuman or something like that, and same goes with the headlight. But the fixable parts, it's the hood, which is 50-50, but fender, 100% we'll fix it. Taking a look on the other side, the grille is also broken. And it has that camera all over, like on the front, underneath the side mirrors, the rear of course. And yeah, on the other side there's also a side camera. No impact on the other side. Clean as a whistle. For some reason there's a lot of oil on the car. Maybe there was some other car that they were picking up that was dropping oil, and that's what caused that oil to be dripped on this car. But yeah, that could be the only reason why the top part is full of oil. Taking a look at inside, it's all good. No roof airbag and no steering airbag. The dash is perfectly fine. I didn't notice any kind of seat belts being locked. So the interior is also clean. And yeah, it also has that sunroof. Okay, so this is 2020 Nissan Sentra SR. Let's see how it's fixed. So we will kick off the repair work by taking out the front bumper first. Always a good idea to lift up the car a little bit. These are the bolts we need to unscrew along with the fender liner side. On the side there was only one 10mm screw. This side is damaged, but the entire process is same as the other side. Now we jump on the top part. There were only 5 straightforward clips on top which we took out using door upholstery remover. I pulled the bumper thinking that would be it, but I did forget the last thing. It was the plug for the fog lamp which I had to take out. So we knocked out the bumper and we will be taking out some parts out of it. Especially that fog lamp, cannot afford to lose that. Broken headlamp. There is no way we can fix this. Fixing it would be putting yourself in a tight corner. Our board of directors decided to repair the same hood. Since it is a metal piece, so it does require some hammering to bring it back to its original shape. The same goes with the fender. If you haven't already, please consider pressing the like button and subscribing to our channel. It will motivate us to make more content and keep entertaining you guys. While you're doing that, we'll keep on working to make the hood straight. Keep on hammering to align the hood along with the fender. Once aligned properly, we then move on taking out dents on the hood. So we had enough of work and we decided to take a break. Luckily, there was construction going on in the neighborhood and it was really interesting to see how a piece of land is being excavated. It seems like a normal day outside with three guys having a discussion in one corner. Oh, there you go. So the job is not left on this big dude. There is a little hand also involved. But this guy is just nailing it like nothing in the world. Look at that. I feel like science has made great progress since last 200 years. The little one did show up again. It seems like he's playing hide and seek for some reason. Whoa, look at this guy just picking it up like a piece of cake. Coming back to work, so we had to buy a new light. Shining in the box. Almost feels like I'm holding a piece of diamond in my hand. Some adjustment needed to put the light on. Seems like it is fitting properly. Moving on to broken bumper, we need to take out certain pieces, the license plate cover, the logo, and the front camera right there. Fog lamp and the fog lamp cover will come out as well. That leads us tossing out the bumper to the garbage. We got the brand new front grille, comes along with the chrome on corners as well as the tow hook cover. So we did put every piece that we took out from the old bumper and we attached them onto the new one, and we ended up attaching the front bumper as well. This is the update so far. This is the same side that was damaged. We ended up priming up the front bumper. We did put the light So this piece, which is the hood, fender, and the front bumper, they are primed up. We painted the front bumper silver because if you want to get this kind of orange color, you have to paint the front bumper in silver color first. We wrapped up those pieces, the fog light covers and the front grille, because when we paint them, you don't want to be painting those pieces. So the body work is done, the painting is left, and I will catch you in the final stage of this vlog. There it is, we finished up the car completely. Some of the before and after effects at your service. So that was it for this time. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the entire process. Make sure to give us a like, subscribe, press the bell icon, and I will catch you in the next video.